Did you know America's most successful jewel thief stole $15 million using tricks he learned from security experts themselves? Larry Lawton wasn't your average criminal. He was a student of the system. For weeks, he'd cased jewelry stores like a detective, learning guard schedules, mapping alarm systems, timing shift changes down to the minute. His toolkit was surprisingly simple. Hairspray to blind motion sensors, mirrors to redirect laser beams, and encyclopedic knowledge of which display cases held the biggest paydays. Store after store fell to his methods. $15 million in jewels gone. The FBI knew they had a problem, so they set a trap. An undercover agent posed as a mob buyer. Lawton walked right into it trying to fence stolen diamonds. 11 years in federal prison gave him time to think. But here's the twist. After his release, Lawton became the very thing that could have stopped him. A security consultant. Now he helps jewelry stores protect against the exact techniques he once perfected. The master thief turned guardian of the vault.